Look out Andy Cohen, because Nicki Minaj has her sights set on hosting the Real Housewives of Potomac reunion, and Karen Huger and the rest of the Bravo ladies are here for it. Nicki Minaj, 38, has thrown her hat in the ring to host the next The Real Housewives of Potomac reunion. The super bass rapper shared a trailer of the currently airing season 6 of the Bravo series on Instagram on Thursday, July 29, and joked that she was replacing Andy Cohen to lead the ladies of Potomac hashing out their drama. Nicki remixed the trailer to her hit 2010 song Moment for a Life and wrote in her caption, "I'll be hosting the reunion. LMK, what y'all want me to ask Chili?" While Nicki was seemingly joking at the time, Karen Huger, Robin Dixon and the rest of the sassy RHOP stars immediately made it clear that they would be on board with Nicki's hiring. "All right now, Karen, 58, said with a fire emoji on Nicki's post. Nicki commented right back to Karen, joking to the RHOP OG, "Yes ma'am. I know a thing or two about being the grand dame." Robin, meanwhile, added a hands up and flower emojis to Nicki, while fellow green-eyed bandit Giselle Bryant commented, "Yes." Wendy Osefo and Candace Dillard Bassett also eagerly expressed approval of Nicki being the reunion host, as did Andy himself, who said, "I want to see this." Nicki's declaration also started up a hilarious interaction between the rapper and the official Instagram account for Watch What Happens Live. After the person behind the talk show's page commented, "We need Drive Back featuring Nicki Minaj." On her post, Nicki hilariously responded, "Babe, what's that?" That song, of course, is Candace's latest single, and once Nicki was informed, the rapper admitted that she may not be the biggest fan of Candace. "It's a nice song. But at the reunion I'ma have to get into some things with Sissy. 'Cause Chifile," she said with a laughing emoji. Related gallery. Nicki Minaj sexiest music video looks, photos. After Nicki's post blew up, the Grammy winner went on to tease her fans that her RHOP hosting gig may actually come to fruition. "Don't move. Everyone binge watch all the episodes 'cause we finna get into some things honey," she wrote on her Instagram stories. "My questions will be well thought out, too. Mixed with funny and epic of course. And Barbs, please don't send me a million comments about the album and actually just let me have my moment. We almost there. Promise. Not lying time. Love you." Then, Nicki posted a screenshot message between her and her publicist, Joe. In the texts, he told Nicki that Andy would gladly give up his seat to have you host the Potomac reunion, which he said tapes in October. Nicki, of course, was very excited and delivered responses in all caps. "I want to do it," she reiterated, to which Joe said, "Okay, getting details." For now, RHOP fans will have to wait to see if Nicki indeed gets to sit in the coveted hosting seat for the next reunion. The hit series is 3 episodes into season 6, and there's already been plenty of drama between the ladies. So here's to hoping that when the reunion comes around in October, Nicki is there ready to get to work.